Good morning, children. This video is for class 3, subject mathematics, term 3, chapter number 3. And the name of the chapter is geometry. This is our lecture number 2. Today's topics are exercise 3A. In exercise 3A, we will do question number 3 to question number 7. Okay. And the question number 1 and 2 we will discuss in homework solution. Okay. And measuring and drawing line segments. Today we will learn how to measure and draw line segments. Okay. And exercise 3B question number 1. So let's start. Now beta, exercise 3A, which is given on page number 31 in your book. Question number 3. Read these points. So here in A part, this point is given, okay, and name X is given. So how we can read this? That is point X, okay. Now in B part, this point is given and the name of this point is M. So how we can read it? Point M, okay. And in C part, this point is given and the name is given P. So how we can read it? Point P. Understood? Now beta, question number 4. It is given, read and write the following line segments. So here in A part, this line segment is given, okay, and there are 2 points P and Q, okay, and there is a line segment, okay. So how we can read it? That is PQ line segment or QP. Both are correct, okay. You can read it like line segment PQ or line segment QP, okay. Now in B part, this line segment is given. So how you can read or write that? Line segment XY or line segment YX. Both are equal because the length of this line segment is fixed. Okay. Now in C part, this line segment is given. So here, what is the name of this line segment? That is MN. Okay. Or we can read it NM. So line segment MN or line segment NM, both are same. Okay. Now we will do question number 5. Here it is given, look at the points shown alongside. So here we have given some points. You can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. Okay. Now we have to do answers of these questions. In A part it is given, join these points from A to J. So here we will join these points. So first we will start from A part. So first we will join with the line A to B. Okay, then we will join it from B to C. Then from C to D. Then D to E. After that we will join it from E to F. And then F to G. Then G to H. H to I and I to J. And after that we will join it from J to E like this. Okay. So now in B part, it is given, what do you get? So beta, when we join these lines, which shape we get? That is star. So here we will write the answer star, S-T-A-R, star. Now question number C, how many line segments do you get in all? So here we need to count the number of line segments. So here we will start from A to B, 1 line segment, B to C, 2, C to D, 3, D to E 4, E to F 5, F to G 6, G to H 7, H to I 8, I to J 9 and J to A 10. So here we have 10 line segments. Okay, so here we will write the answer 10 line segments. With the help of 10 line segments, we have made this star. Now in D part, we have to name the line segments. Okay, so here we will write first line segment, that is line segment AB, okay, then BC, then CD, then DE, after that EF, then FG, then GH, then HI, then IJ, and the last one is JA. Okay, so these are the names of line segments. Okay. Number 6, it is given, name the following as curved lines, parallel lines and intersecting lines. So here, first of all, we will see which figure is given to us, then we will name them. So here this figure is given. So which line is this, beta? This is a curved line. Okay, so here we will write curved lines. C-U-R-V-E-D, curved, L-I-N-E-S, lines, curved lines. Now in B part, here this figure is given and we can see there are two lines which cut each other, means which intersect each other at a point. Okay, so which lines is this? That are intersecting lines. So here we will write intersecting line, I-N-T-E-R-S-E-C-T-I-N-G, intersecting, L-I-N-E-S, lines, intersecting lines. Now in C part, it is given these lines here, which lines are these, beta? These are parallel lines because the distance between these two lines remains the same here at every point, okay, and they never cut each other. So these lines are parallel lines. So here we will write the spelling of parallel lines, P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L, parallel, L-I-N-E-S, lines, parallel lines. Now the next one is question number 7. Count and write the number of line segments in each of the figures given below. So here in A part, this figure is given. Now we have to count and write the number of line segments. So here line segment LN, one line, then NM 2 and ML 3. So here we have three line segments in this figure. So here we will write three line segments. Now B part. This figure is given. Now again we have to count the number of line segments. So here from A to B, one line segment, B to C, second, C to D, third, D to E, 4, E to F, 5, F to G, 6, G to H, 7 and H to A, 8. So here in this figure we have 8 line segments. Okay. Now in C part, we have given this figure. Okay, now again we need to count the number of line segments. So here we will start from U to V, one line segment, V to W, 2, W to X, 3, X to Y, 4, Y to Z, 5, Z to U, 6. So here in this figure we have 6 line segments. So here we will write 6 line segments. Okay. Now in D part, it is given this figure and we have to count the number of line segments. So let's start from S to T, 1 line segment, T U V, second, U to V, third, V to P, 4, P to Q, 5, Q to R, 6 and R to S, 7. So here in this figure we have 7 line segments. Understood, beta, how we can count and write the number of line segments. Now beta, I am going to tell you that how you can measure or draw line segments. Okay, so first of all we will learn about measuring line segments. So here I am going to tell you stepwise. So let's learn to measure the length of a line segment AB, okay, in centimeters. So here step number 1, that is, place the edge of the scale showing centimeters along the line segment AB. Okay, first of all we have to place the edge of the scale showing centimeters along the line segment AB. Okay, and step number 2, that is, adjust the scale in such a way that the zero mark of the scale is at the point A. Okay, like this. See, here is a line segment, okay, and this is line segment AB. Now we have to measure this line segment. So now we will put a scale like in such a way that it starts from 0, okay, and Here you can see at B point it is 6, it's showing 6 centimeters. You can see beta in this scale we have centimeters and inches. So these are centimeters and in between this millimeters are there. Okay. So here now the step number 3 is read the scale at the point B. Here the mark on the scale is at 6 centimeter. Okay. So the length of the line segment AB is 6 centimeter in this. Understood beta? Now I'm going to show you some more so that it is very much clear to you. Here you can see we have scales. Okay. And here beta this is 0. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are centimeters. Okay. And beta these small points are the millimeters. In 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. Okay. You can see 5 to 6 means this is 1 centimeter. Okay. And this 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay. So here you can see that there is a paper clip. Okay. What is the length of this paper clip? We will start from 0. Okay. And it ends at 1.8 centimeter. 1 is complete and after that we will calculate. So 1, after that 1.1, then 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. So the length of this paper clip is 1.8 centimeters or 18 millimeters. Understood? Like this, here we have a pencil. Okay, so now we will calculate the measure the length of this pencil. So here we will start from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters completed. And we have to count now how many millimeters are there. After 7, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, 7.5. So what is the length of this pencil? That is 7.5 centimeters. Understood beta? How we can measure the length of any line segment. Now beta we will learn how to draw line segments. Okay, so I am going to tell you steps first of all and then I will show you how to draw the line segments. So here drawing line segments, let's learn to draw a line segment of length 5 centimeters. So here in step number 1, place and press the scale on the paper. Then mark 2 points A and B against the marks 0 and 5 of the scale. आपने क्या करना है बेटा? सबसे पहले आपको स्केल जो है वो पेपर पे रखना है, ठीक है, और फिर आपने 2 पॉइंट्स मार्क करने हैं A एंड B. कौन से नंबर पे? 0 एंड 5. 0 पे आपने A पॉइंट रखना है और 5 पे आपने B पॉइंट रखना है. ओके. After that, in step 2, what you have to do, keeping the scale evenly, move the pencil from A to B along the edge of the scale. स्केल की हेल्प से ही आपने A to B की साइड पे जाते हुए अपनी पेंसिल को मूव करना है, ठीक है. Then now I will show it on paper. So beta, now I am going to tell you how to draw a line segment of 5 centimeters. So first of all, see beta, this is a scale. So here in this scale, you can see that there are centimeters from 0 to 15 and we have to draw 5 centimeters. So first of all, we will place and press the scale like this, okay, on the paper. Now we have to mark 2 points A and B against 0 and 5. Okay, so here you can see 0 is there. So first of all we will put a dot here at 0 and one more dot at number 5. Okay, now we have to draw a line. So how we can draw? We will start from 0 and like this and we will take it up to 5. Okay, so here we will write this is our point A and this is our point B. So here beta we will write that we have draw the line segment that is of 5 centimeter. Understood beta? Always remember you have to start always from 0 and whatsoever your line segment length is there, you have to draw up to that point. Okay beta? Now beta we will do exercise 3B question number 1. Find the lengths of the following line segments with the help of a ruler. So here in A part, this line segment LM is given. Now we have to find out the length of this line segment. So here we have a ruler. So we will put this ruler on line segment like this. Okay, we will put 0 on L and up to the M we have to put ruler, and now we have to find out the length. So the length of this LM line segment, that is 3.7 centimeters. So here we will write 3.7 centimeters. Okay, now we have to do B part. So here RS line segment is given. Now we have to find out the length of this line segment. So again we will start from point R. We will put 0 on point R and up to S. There is a length of this line segment that is 5.5 centimeters. So here we will write 5.5 centimeter. Now in C part, here you can see XY line segment is given. Now we have to find out the length of this. So here we will start from 0 on X point, okay, and up to Y. The line segment length is 2.5 centimeters. So here we will write 2.5 centimeter. Now we have to do D part. So here it is given EF line segment. Now again we will start from 0 point at E. At E point we will put 0 and up to F it is the length, that is 3.6 centimeter. So here we will write 3.6 centimeter. Okay. Now beta, we have another question in E part, that is which of the above line segment is the shortest and the longest. Okay. So beta, here shortest means सबसे छोटा, okay, and longest means सबसे बड़ा. Now here we will see that which is the shortest line segment, that is 2.5 centimeter length is shortest. So here XY line segment is the shortest line segment, okay, and which is the longest line segment, that is RS line segment, because the length of this is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so here we will write now shortest line segment is XY, like X and Y, and above it we will put a line. Okay, this is called line segment XY. Okay, and longest line segment is RS. So here we will write RS and above it we will put a line. Okay, like this. Now the next question in F part, it is given what is the difference between the lengths of the longest and shortest line segment. So here length of longest line segment is equal to 5.5 centimeters. So here we will write 5.5 centimeters. Okay, and the length of shortest line segment, that is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Now we have to find out the difference. So to find out the difference, we will subtract the given length. Okay, so here we will start from our right hand side. So 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. Then we will put dot. Then 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So what is the answer beta? That is 3 centimeter. Okay, so the difference between the longest and shortest line segment is 3 centimeter. Understood? Now today's homework. Do question number 2 and 3 of exercise 3B in notebook. Okay, so now I am going to show you homework sums. So here it is given in question number 2. Draw the line segments of given length name them as directed. So here in A part, you have to draw line segments of length 2 centimeter and you have to give the name GH. Okay. And in B part, it is given UV, the name of the line segment, and you have to draw 10 centimeter length. Now in C part, again you have to draw the length 8 centimeter. Okay. And the name of that line segment is OR. And in D part, line segment length is 6 centimeter and you have to give the name CD. Okay. Now in question number 3, measure each side of the given figures. So here you have given one figure and there are some line segments. Okay. You have to measure the length of the line segments. First LM, then NO, then MN and then OL. OL or LO. Both are same. Okay. Now the homework solution. Okay, so I had given you some from page number 31, question number 1 and 2. So now we will discuss that. So here in question number 1, exercise 3A, it is given match the following. Here in A part, it is given point. So first of all, we need to find out where point is there in this. So here you can see there is a point. So we will match it with points like this. Okay. Now in B part, it is given line segment. So line segment means there are fixed length. Okay. So here it is given in 7th part. So we will match it with this like this. Okay. Now in C part, it is given line. So here in number 6, we have a line. So we will match it with number 6. Okay. Now ray. Ray which has one fixed point. Okay. So ray is in 5th part. So we will match it with this. Now parallel lines. So which are parallel lines? The distance between parallel lines remains the same everywhere. So it is in part 1. So here we will match it like this. Now curved lines. So here curved lines are in part 2. So we will match it like this. Now intersecting lines which cut each other at a particular point and it is in option number 3. So we will match it with this. Understood? Now in question number 2, it is given identify the following as lines, rays and line segments. So here in A part it is given this, and which figure is this beta? This is a ray because it has one fixed point. Okay, so here we will write ray, R-A-Y, ray. Now in B part, here it is given this. So you can see it has two fixed points. So this is a line segment. Okay, so here we will write L-I-N-E line, S-E-G-M-E-N-T segment, line segment. Okay, now in C part, it is given this figure and in this you can see we have arrows on both the sides. Okay, so it means we have no fixed length. So this is a line. So here we will write line, L-I-N-E, line. Now in D part, again we have given this line and in this line also you can see we have arrows on both the sides. We have not fixed length. So this is also a line, L-I-N-E, line. Now in E part, here this figure is given and in this line you can see there is a arrow on one side and one side is fixed. So this is a ray. So here we will write R-A-Y, ray. Now in F part, it is given and you can see two dots are given. It means this line has fixed length. Okay, so this is line segment. So here we will write L-I-N-E line, S-E-G-M-E-N-T segment, line segment. Understood beta? Thank you.